Guys, welcome back to the Unbox Anything channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a heated jacket from Wish. So it came in a few weeks ago, but I had family come in for Christmas, so we're going to be unboxing it now. So it looks like it comes in a bag. This will be good for the winter, if it works. That is the question. So, warning, avoid danger of suffocation for babies. That's strange. Bag is not a toy, that's about the bag. Kind of interesting because it's got this feeling to it. So it looks like it's already open, which is odd. But there it is. Heated jacket. It's got a tag on there. I don't read Chinese or Japanese, whatever that is. Maybe someone out there can comment down below in English. I don't know what size this was, so hopefully it's the right size. There it goes. Interesting. This is a vest, not a jacket. So, there that is. It's got two pockets. Well, that's not bad. And you see right here is the power for the electric. And looks like it has some kind of reflective coating on the inside. Can you tell it's from China when you see this tag? Washing instructions. Remove, it's got instructions on how to use it. Remove the USB plug. There's access charging. Oh, it must be in here. It's a pocket. Ah. So you have that, which connects to that. And it plugs in there. It's like a protective thing, I think. Yep. So this is how we're gonna charge it. So I'll charge it up and I don't know, maybe I'll use it for a few days, try it out. And I'll let you guys know how it fares in the cold weather, how the battery holds up. And it'll be like a few seconds for you guys, not even. So, see you then. Welcome back, guys, to the second part of this video. And we have a few things to go over. First off, the vest here doesn't come with a battery pack, which I have my own right here. And I tested it out outside for at least a few hours. I tried it out. And to say the least, it was okay, but it wasn't the greatest. I wouldn't wear it because it doesn't have the sleeves on it. If it had the sleeves on it, I might have worn it. And it does heat up pretty cool. It has like a heating element right in here. You can feel it. It moves along this way. And it has one along the sides here, where your neck is, which is nice to keep you warm. So as we go here, if we plug it in, it's going to light up here. Does a quick flash of light, and then we're gonna press and hold, and the red light will turn on. And that's for heating, I believe. There's really no much instructions on how to do it, even though the little instruction manual it has right here doesn't have much on it. And it doesn't say anything about this. If you click it again, it goes blue, which maybe is a cooling element. No idea. And then I have a green, which I still have no idea what does. So I know the red goes heating, so it does get warm very quickly. So it's really nice. I don't know. You guys be the judge of this one. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next video. and subscribe. When we hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway I'm going to do some gift cards I'm going to give away. So definitely comment down below. All right, guys, subscribe, and God bless.